Exercise 13. Start. I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to one important point and request him to draw the attention of the states to this aspect of the matter. Every state has a famine relief code, but this relief code is out of date in terms of the rupee value. It has become absolutely meaningless for those persons whose entire belongings are washed away by the floods. I would like to suggest that the state government be advised to bring the relief code up to date to raise the relief quantum to a meaningful level according to the value of the rupee. This should be done perhaps every 3 years, and this code should go not only into the question of providing urgent relief but also into the question of collection of land revenue. Para. Surely loans can be rescheduled, and that should form part of the relief code. That should form part of the relief program. The floods have become more recurrent for one reason, that the natural drainage systems in certain parts of the country have been disturbed. Sir, one thing that can be done is to initiate a permanent program of the drainage systems, particularly in the areas in the lands that lie between the bunds that we have made. Para. Sir, the second reason again perhaps can be related to the process of development of the soil erosion and the loss of vegetation. I would suggest that every river basin with all the tributaries which flow into the main river must have a future plan for flood safety. That basin must be studied in its geographical and in its ecological aspects. A flood safety plan must be evolved and progressively implemented. I fully appreciate the fact that no flood plan can be made overnight or in a single year. But let us at least have a plan for every major river basin and let that be finalized by the Ministry of Water Resources Development. Para. It can take up programs with the help of the states from year to year. By doing that, at least we can certainly have a foolproof flood safety program put into being within the next 20 years. Stop.